everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Koparkar. After a very long time, today I'll be showing beautiful Paithani sarees, and the first video is about gorgeous pure handloom Yeola Paithanis. Now these sarees have lovely zari lines on them. I'm not going to make any further delay in showing these sarees. Starting with this absolutely stunning lime green. It's a very beautiful color. I'm going to show you the sarees closely because these sarees are very exclusive. Just look at the zari lines in the saree. It is a beautiful. So this saree actually comes under a brocade design, but instead of brocade floral designs or intricate designs, these have zari lines on them. Very beautiful sarees. It has a pure handloom munia border. Absolutely stunning. So if you want Paithanis, but if you want something very exclusive, something very unique, then these sarees are absolutely perfect for you. Again, this is pure handloom, so the design in the back will be as good and almost the same as the front, because you will hardly see any threads running from here and there because these are pure handloom. By pure handloom, I mean that there is no use of motor or machine while making these sarees. Okay, so yes, this is the first one. Wait for the pallu. It has this gorgeous pallu design, a very beautiful pallu design. Let me show you the pallu design nicely. Now these sarees have beautiful white peacocks. So white peacocks is something very unique. Usually आपण colorful peacocks बघतो, typical pink, purple, green असे colors असलेले peacocks बघतो, पण ह्या साडीमध्ये अतिशय वेगळा विचार केलेला आहे आणि अप्रतिम असा white peacocks आणि floral pallu आहे. Again, because this is a pure handloom saree, just look at the back. It is so clean and so perfect that there is absolutely no room for doubting the quality of the workmanship. So yes, this is the first one. A very beautiful lime green, pure silk, pure handloom Paithani. This is the pallu. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. So सर्व साड्या ह्या जरी लाइन्स मध्येच आहेत आजच्या आणि मुनिया बॉर्डर असलेल्याच आहेत. Now this is a beautiful rani pink with golden zari lines on it. This is the base color of the saree. Let me just show you the base color, and because of the golden zari lines on it, it looks a little lighter and different from a distance. So just look at this grand Paithani. Absolutely stunning, flawless munia borders on both sides. This is how the munia borders will look together. I hope it is nice and visible. And just look at the pallu. Now this saree, मी एक पैठणीचा व्हिडिओ केलेला आहे. मी त्याची लिंक या कॅप्शन मध्ये नक्की शेअर करीन. प्लीज तो व्हिडिओ नक्की बघा. पैठणी आणि त्यांचे प्रकार आणि त्याच्याबद्दलची माहिती यावरती व्हिडिओ केलेला आहे, YouTube वरती आहे. वी विल शेअर. मेक शुअर यू गो टू आवर YouTube चॅनल अँड वॉच दॅट व्हिडिओ अबाउट पैठणी सारीज. त्याच्यामध्ये अनेक पैठण्यांचे बॉर्डर्स आणि पदराचे डिझाईन्स बद्दलची माहिती दिलेली आहे. त्यापैकीच एक हा असावली पल्लू. अतिशय सुंदर जुनं ऑथेंटिक ओल्ड पैठणी डिझाईन आहे असावली हे. असावलीमध्ये ह्या अशा प्रकारची फुलं येतात आणि अप्रतिम असा प्रकार आहे पदराचा. आय होप इट इज नाइस अँड क्लिअरली विजिबल. जस्ट लुक ॲट द बॅक ऑफ दिस पल्लू. इट्स very क्लीन अँड perfect. Okay, so yes, this is our next saree. If you like this one, I'm just going to take it like this so you can see the pallu. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. The price range of these sarees should be between 43 and 44,500. Roughly that's the price range. Some sarees might be little lesser. Just contact our WhatsApp team and they will help you with the prices. Also, you can choose to ask them for more photos, more pictures. Just contact our WhatsApp team. They'll connect with you for a quick video call if you want to select your sarees. If you have a shortlisted collection of screenshots, then just plan a video call session with them. Now this is the next one. आता ह्या साडीला सिंगल कलर नाहीये, त्याला असा एक पिंकिश टिश्यू आहे त्याच्या पुनिया बॉर्डर मध्ये. अप्रतिम असा लॅव्हेंडर कलर आहे. जरी लाईन्स आहेत पूर्ण साडीवरती. दिस इज द गॉर्जियस munia but pink tissue munia border. Very pretty. And this is the special pallu. Another very delicate pallu design. It's not a very loud busy design. It's a very delicate design with a small parrot in it and beautiful floral motifs. Okay, again I'm showing you the back side. Pure handloom. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to us on WhatsApp. hope you all have taken a screenshot. I'm moving on to the next saree. The next one is also a stunning pastel color. Now this saree has triple munia border. It's a beautiful sea green, light aqua green, sea green color, pastel shade. Very, very pretty, and it has this beautiful grand triple munia border. There are 3 borders with munia motifs woven along them. This is how the back side of the border looks. Very pretty. Just look at how grand it looks, and even when it's pleated up. And this is the pallu, another stunning Asauli pallu design. This is how it looks. Now this Asauli pallu, if you see, the flowers in the pallu are shaded. They are not of a single color. They are shaded very beautifully, handcrafted. Now this is how the pallu looks. Very, very rich. If you like this saree, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is this gorgeous pink. It's a nice light yet fresh pink. This one also has a triple munia border. Absolutely elegant. This is the zari lines along the saree. Triple munia with pink tissue. So it's almost a single colored saree. No contrast. This is how it looks. And just look at the border. It has a beautiful pallu design. I want to show you this pallu because it has a very, very beautiful, it's more like a painting. If you see it closely, it's more like an art piece or a painting. Absolutely beautifully done. This is how it looks. So yes, this is our last saree for this video, last stunning paithani of this collection. I hope you all are loving this new design that we brought in. Please mention in the comments what do you think about this collection of paithanis. How do you like them? Would you like to wear these for any of your functions? So yes, this is it. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our pure handloom paithanis collection, signature paithanis, very, very exclusive, different designs, unique designs. I'm coming up with one more video of special bordered paithanis. Stay tuned, keep watching.